Hey, folks, today we're diving into the world of kitchen innovation with the Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 countertop oven and long slot toaster. If you're tired of cluttered countertops and kitchen appliances that hog space, this review is going to be a game changer for you. Stick around, because we're about to unbox a combo that's going to revolutionize your cooking experience. Introducing the Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 oven and toaster. This unique appliance is here to streamline your cooking process and give you more counter space to work with. Let's break down why this 2-in-1 combo is a must-have in your kitchen. If you're interested in learning more about the Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 countertop toaster oven and long slot 2-slice toaster, please click on the link in the description below. Top features. Number 1. Lightning fast toasting. First off, this appliance toasts your bread 40% faster than the leading toaster oven. That means you can enjoy your crispy, warm toast in no time, whether it's for a quick morning bite or a late-night snack. Number 2. Versatile toast slot. Ever tried to fit a bagel or an artisan bread slice into a regular toaster slot? It's a hassle, but fear not. This toaster's extra wide slot can accommodate even the chunkiest slices, making it perfect for bagel lovers and bread enthusiasts alike. Number 3. 2-in-1 convenience. The Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 is a true multitasker. With the slide of a lever, you can switch from being a toaster to a full-fledged oven. It's like having two appliances in one, and it's a real space saver. Number 4. Spacious interior. Don't be fooled by its compact appearance. This oven can fit a 9 pizza with ease. Plus, with 2 rack positions, you can bake muffins, roasted potatoes, casseroles, and more. It's perfect for those times when you need extra cooking space. Number 5. Toast shade control. Do you have a specific shade of golden brown that you prefer for your toast? This appliance lets you have full control with its separate toast shade selector. No more guessing games, you get the perfect toast every time. Number 6. Timer with auto shutoff. Worried about overcooking? The 60-minute timer with auto shutoff has got your back. Set it and forget it, the oven turns off when your food is done. No more burnt dishes or energy waste. Number 7. Stay on setting. Need to keep your food in the oven a bit longer? No problem. The stay on setting allows you to bake or roast to your heart's content. It's perfect for those multiple batches of chocolate chip cookies or getting your sheet pan. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.